Man, they say I don't know how to drive this truck. Man, I know how to drive this truck. Man, watch me drive this truck. Oh. Man, I know how to open the door. Man, watch me open this door. Come on, man, this ain't nothing. Look at this. And then I just gotta, hold on, what up? Oh, wait. I think there we they think I don't know how to drive this truck. I know how to drive this truck.
Put it in reverse, Tim.
Jumping Lexus like it's 07. I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Last year, I know you learned your lesson. I could GPS you if you need a dressing. Just saw about a bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie. 09, it was spitting on me, but I'm young.
I'm stuck. I don't know what to do, bro. What does the R mean? What does the R mean?